The following message is transmitted at the request of the Chattanooga Police Department. At 9:25 a.m. today, a shooting was reported downtown. The suspect is unknown. It is unknown if more attacks will occur. We recommend you stay inside until further information is provided. The following message is transmitted at the request of the Chattanooga Police Department. At 9:30 a.m. today, the suspect is identified as Brandon James. He is a 31-year-old male standing 5'7", white, and 215 pounds. He is believed to be driving a 2001 Toyota sedan with Tennessee license plate 5A1GFT5. If you see Brandon James or this vehicle, call 911 immediately. The following message is transmitted at the request of the Tennessee state government. At 9:40 a.m. an explosion occurred at a shopping center in Nashville. We highly recommend you evacuate immediately. The police is doing everything they can to solve this emergency. The killer, Brandon James, is believed to be headed to Alabama next. Do not evacuate to Alabama. We will provide updates as soon as